The 2023 presidential candidate under the Labour Party, Peter Obi, has called for the death penalty of corrupt leaders in Nigeria. He made this known in an interview posted on X, formerly known as Twitter. He said, "We must deal with the issue of corruption aggressively, maybe just like the Chinese are doing. Make sure that if there's any amount you steal, it's a death sentence."
Africa has no reason to be hungry. All we need to do is to do the right thing. All these things are being affected by corruption. Because people no longer find value in hard work, in productivity, in entrepreneurship. You started your own business. You are working hard to earn a living. Today, people who have no daytime job live better than you live by far. People who have no office live like stars. So it is a crisis. So we must deal with the issue of corruption aggressively. Maybe what the Chinese people are doing. Make sure that the amount you steal is death sentence. The amount you steal is life imprisonment. The amount you steal is not less than 10 years imprisonment. So when you deal with it strictly, then you start investing.
Obi suggested that the laws for corrupt leaders in China can be imbibed in Nigeria in order to curb and reduce the menace of corruption. Peter Obi, who is known for his bold statement, has once again ignited public debate with his opinions about corrupt leaders. Share your thoughts in the comment box section below. We'll continue to supply you more trending news updates and exclusive videos. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.